Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. I am Swiss SDNI, and today we're gonna dive into one of the newest formats added onto my channel, and it is the first video of it, which is vlogs. Of course, I have to prepare myself. So see you in a bit after I just prepared myself. There you go, everyone. I just finished to prepare myself. I finished editing the video that I've put it on YouTube, and I will build success my way. It is the name of the video. I will leave it here in order to make it easy for you if you want to go and watch it. I'm gonna start my red light skincare because, as you can see, I have a problem in my face, and it is okay because the problem in my face, it's not something that it is related to whatever, or because I'm not taking care of my face, but just because I am a girl. Pretty sure that this video is watched by sisters, so I will advise you to buy this red light. Only thing that I've done, it is in the morning to kind of like dry the pimple that it was kind of like bleeding, But I'm looking for going to private dermatologist because the thing that I have, that they kept giving me, for example, from the GP, they kept giving me like kind of like antibiotic for the pimples. But what? Guess what? Guess what? The pimples kept going out the double. So the quantity of this was 5 times more, you know. But let me tell you one thing. In October 2024, I started running and I started following a healthy journey, and this healthy journey helped my skin to glow up, and hopefully I can return back to my running journey. And let me know in the comments if you're interested in a running journey and how I tried to run and literally saw a difference within 30 days. So I am running a bit late because now, let me see, what time is it? It's 9:14 and I have to go to do grocery shopping. Also, don't forget that this red light, it'll help your skin to be very, very, very smooth. Like literally, I was having a huge breakdown because of the stress and things. Life, it's life at the end of the day. But literally, if you have something like that, do not be afraid of showing your face, of showing who you are, showing the reality of your skin. People don't like it, it's fine. And then who cares? Nobody. Trust me, people look at me and they think that I am very ugly because of these things in my face, and I'll be like, I don't give anything. I don't give one because none of your business. You're not paying for my skincare. And before going, I want to share with you the outfit of the day. So this is my bag, very classy, very beautiful, and it goes with everything. M49 from Boots, but worth every penny because changing. I am in the department of the haram things, so I just cover my eyes so anything gets seen, I will not get attempted. People ask us why we cannot eat certain types of meat, and I'll be like, it's not that obvious at the end of the day. Mascarpone, guys, because this one, it is very nice, very nice. It's better, and also it costs 129. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. Move. I'm staying with my mom. Actually, I'm just going out in my car. Astaghfirullah. As I arrived in the car, I just need to go to Boots. I need just only thing that will save my girls. We came here to Boots, the land of dreams and success, because now we are going to focus on my hair. I'm looking for the oil for growth. Use it these ones because they are the green one, because they never gave any other options earlier. But take this. Is £11. No, I don't want it. It does your curls properly. No, I don't want it. I need it. No, you don't. No, you don't. Okay. I will not touch any makeup because my skin, it's already. No, you're lighter than that. What the freak? The freak. I am. Let me see this one.
No, you're this one. You're this one.
Oh God,
You're
it's
this
so
one.
yeah. They're very like kind of like
This is a dark one.
blush, no blush, makeup, no makeup type. I like it.
And look at Tiki's.
Astaghfirullah. Take it easy.
Let's try
I don't
it.
know. If someone tried the 17 brand, let me know in the comment or write to me on Instagram, because I need to know if you tried it, because I have a very sensitive skin.
Yeah, it's scented.
My love, can I speak? This is the eldest life. Everyone's speaking about everything. Life as an eldest. Show up. Don't be my teacher. You know, as you can see. And if you tried this, let me know. Whatever.
When you don't want to make.
I will show you what I buy when I need to fix my eyebrows.
This is life as an eldest. Life as an eldest.
So this blush is highly pigmented, not good. If you have a very light skin, don't buy it. It's this one, but I don't know, elf, don't take it bad, but literally I don't recommend this. But I do recommend, elf has created one of the best invention ever,
Collection.
which is, recommend this, girls, this is a lifesaver. It is better than this one because you do
They're copying elf.
let them understand.
Look
So
at that
this one
girl.
and this one, you see, this one are the best, you know, is the best combo ever for your makeup,
type
no
of
makeup,
manners?
eyebrows, and this is go on the lip, but it's the best combo on the face. So, and also it is much convenient than this, because this one
Get the orange.
like
one.
along the time what happened, it's like solidifying, get whitish, and when you put it on your eyebrow, it is literally whitening your eyebrow, and it's not good. Like, I don't like it very much, girls. This one, it is, oh my god, I am one of those who do like that, whatever. This one, it is the best. So I got sick and tired from my sister, whatever, and here I was choosing these blushes, but none of them convinced me. So قاعدة على red light. Breakfast is concerning ricotta, which is, and then I have salmon from avocado from Brazil. We're gonna smash it with some pepper, lemon, and salt. It is so nice. And we have some eggs because we're gonna do like a variety of sandwiches. And this
Some
is
with
our,
eggs, some with salmon.
yeah, this is our kind of like breakfast. Something healthy, melty, felty. So this is the salmon,
No, it's not
and
the
this
clocks
is
on one.
the egg that I have prepared, and of course a tea can never miss. Here I was vibing with my ete and with my salmon toast and rucola, which is raw. So welcome to the next step of this vlog, which is coming and cleaning my car. I will share with you few steps. I don't know if I can do something aesthetic or whatever, but I'll try my best, because yeah, I want to see how this vlog will come out with all these things. So basically my car is a real mess, and I'll show you before and after. So now I have these ones. I'm just gonna move forward for cleaning my dashboard and the glass, and after that I will like show you the interior. bad idea ever, but I just needed to clean it. Very. I am trying to understand how to keep going, by the way. From the outside, inshallah, hopefully. Now basically we are waiting, like I am waiting and you are waiting with me till some of the jet wash gets empty, because they are all 3 full. Now needs to have some care as well, but I'll do it later. Honestly, I don't know why people just say that the women cannot do the car things, or because at the end of the day we do know how to take care of a whole house. How a car cannot be our duty as well? Like, why we will like just stop, you know, like just waiting for the man, you know? I'm not about that, like, because the man is the man at the end of the day, you know what I mean? Like, it's something like, you know, relaxing. It's literally how to clean a house for me. And while I was cleaning the car, I was kind of like, oh, I'm very relaxing now. Like, I'm very video. Sometimes I go outside for a coffee. Sometimes I go and buy a book, you know. I do take care of myself on Saturdays when the sadness do not hit, but it is okay. We are human at the end of the day, and I guess that's once you have that down moment, don't think straight away that it is depression, because depression is far away than whatever we think it is. You have my moment of joy where the whole car will get wide. See you. Oh my god, only one hand with all the soaping. I was kind of like dying. And I was like, okay, I have to be patient, otherwise I cannot soap my hand and also record. Whatever, guys, we made it till this far, and of course everything will be finished. And yeah, do you know that I didn't wash my car since August 2024? And my tradition it is that I wash my car every 6 months. And there is a story behind this jet wash, because I met a person who helped me to understand how to wash my car properly. But whatever, guys, I just found out that I don't have a after. Oh my god! And I just have the literally result of washing a car with Nike made from fabric, and the all water were inside and everything. So imagine my mind in that moment with a clean car but a very dirty shoes. Whatever, it's just dunya. So let's go to the next part of this vlog. I'm very excited because I'm gonna show you one of the best parts. Also, like, sometimes just forgetting to enjoy the small moments, but I really enjoyed it. Inshallah, I go home for a meal. I have to upload this video that I will leave here. I'm gonna pop up now. This video, it is very important because it helped many people help with them this theory of that I have, you know, because it is a theory about how people perceive you and how you perceive people, and why we do care about other people permission, you know. And because part 2 is a ice break, like literally. Also tell me in the comments if you do like vlogging, like if you do like the vlogs that I do, because I do really like it, or you are more into motivational, and if you are into those, or if you are into both, give me a blue heart, give me a video. You know, when you just do blinkers and literally the whole car starts moving automatically, this is me. Kind of like this thing, yeah, you know, whatever format do you want in this video that you want me to bring to you, just write it down in the comment. I will. So here we arrived in one of the most beautiful shop in my city, which are the fabrics that will allow me to build my own Moroccan dress. Guys, I was mesmerized because literally here I found everything. Unfortunately, some beautiful fabrics were already designed for like for a traditional Indian Pakistani dress, unfortunately, but literally this shop had everything that I'm searching. I bought this whitish one and I bought the greenish there. I bought also the brocade. Let me know in the comment if you knew that these things got selling in the UK. However, um I decided these colors because for me they are very good for my skin and also, you know, but yeah, I was very very happy to find a shop like that. We kind of like bought a lot of more. I brought my sisters as well, like my family and everyone. So arriving till here, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you did enjoy watching as I enjoyed recording and sharing with you my journey. And see you soon in the next video that will be out in 3 days. This is all from Swiss SDNI. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.